Hi guys, today I have a special video for a special cause. I will walk you through the process that I've used on making the Mask Tsunami art piece in Blender. So let's dive in. First we need the masks. They were pretty simple to model with subdivision and solidify modifiers. I had 3 versions that I modified with proportional editing to add variation. Then I sculpted the wave. I just used the cloth brush and played around like I was making a wave out of a big pillow or something. I added the particle hair system, render as a collection with object rotation enabled and simple children. Then I added the Mount Fuji that I downloaded and is definitely not to scale. The secret lies in the shader for the mask. I use a fabric texture for the bump. Using the object info node, I added some random white mask in the wave, controlled with the ramp node. And the blue variations are also added with the random object or ramp. The foam was made using the Z from the vector location that I have rotated to add the foam to all the wave tips and control with the color ramp node. And that's it. So, the occasion for this video is to raise awareness for Team Seas. I support this project that Mr. Beast, Marky Brownlee and Mark Rober started. They are doing a fundraiser to change the situation of trash in our oceans and seas. You can join the cause and learn more on teamseas.org. At the same time as this video is published, there will be an auction for the Trash Tsunami NFT on Rarible. It is available for 3 days and all the proceeds will be donated to Team Seas. You can find the link below. Next, I will leave you with a very fast time lapse on how I made the objects for the Trash Tsunami. Thank you.